Everybody, Forrest and Matt here. Got Prizm Basketball Hobby 4-box number 27. Random teams. 23-24 Prizm, of course. It's randomized. Let's rip. Good luck, y'all. Go 5 times, 3 and 2. Names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Burke J down to Eric W. And the teams 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hawks down to Mavericks.
What's up, Zach?
What up, Zach? Y'all be sure to like the stream. We do appreciate that. Personals resume tomorrow with Kyle and Joe, 10 a.m. Eastern. Burke with the Hawks, Joseph P. Kings, Craig A. Magic, Orlando Magic, Ryan P. Bucks, Matthew S. Nets, Matt F. with the Raptors, Sean M. A. Thunder, Eric W. Warriors, Jason O. Knicks, Eric W. Sixers, Akihiro Heat, Jeffrey H. Jazz, Eric W. Suns, Justin S. Grizzlies, Oriole C. Spurs, Thomas C. Blazers, Ken W. Pacers, Henry C. Rockets, Ken W. Cavs, Eric W. Wizards Nugs, Eugene with the Clippers, Sean M. U. Lakers, Matt F. Wolves, Matthew S. Bulls, Matt F. Pelicans, Michael S. Pistons, Dean I. Celtics, Jeffrey H. Hornets, Eric W. Mavericks.
Zach, how was it? I didn't get to watch any of it. I was watching the Masters all day. Frosted Flakes, is that even a question? You're kidding me? The way you put both of those in the same question, right?
Yeah, if it's just regular Rice Krispies and Frosted Flakes, but if it's like Cocoa Krispies or like, or might be different. Frosted Flakes are kind of eh.
Yeah,
I don't love Frosted Flakes.
It's good, but it's not like I'm walking down the aisle and grabbing a box of Frosted Flakes.
Yeah,
it's not.
It's like what you eat when you stay at the hotel that has like the free breakfast.
Yeah.
Like bagels and like yogurt and cereal.
Yep.
That's when you eat Frosted Flakes. No other time. It's not even in my top like 5 or so.
Wait, double OT? There's overtime in NASCAR?
What is OT?
What?
Wembanyama, Spurs base rookie. First pack there. Got here orange Halliburton to 49 Pacers. Nice Hallie. And red to 299 Durant. That is a dinged up Durant. Bottom right. Box wrapper going out to the Suns so you can try to get that one replaced. Silver rookie Kamara for the Blazers. Ruby Wave rookie Tubalis Sixers.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, the race has a caution to extra laps. Gotcha.
Okay.
Hyper rookie Scoot Henderson. There you go, Blazers. Silver kaleidoscopic Kyrie. Silver Magic, Markelle Fultz. That is to 149, Rashawn Holmes, Purple Ice Mavericks.
Yeah, I kind of like that, Zach.
Has Hyper Pistons, Bogdanovich, Pulsar rookie, Strother Nugs.
Because in F1, a yellow comes out in the last lap, they just call the race.
That's how it was in NASCAR, at least for when I was younger.
Yeah.
Silver Jabari Smith for the Rockets. That is a Signatures Redemption Cameron Payne. Cameron Payne.
I think he's Sixer. I know. No. Don't take my word for it. There used to be a Sun.
That was a while ago.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure on this one. Let's see. He'll be okay. Making sure that he's a Buck. Bucks. So he switched in the offseason. I feel like I never know with Panini. Because in Origins, Tumani Kamara is a Sun, and he was drafted by the Suns, but he was part of the Lillard trade. He never played a single minute with the Suns.
Huh.
But he's a Sun in the product.
Interesting.
Jalen McDaniels auto for the Raptors. Ruby Wave Lakers, Jared Vanderbilt.
Yeah, exactly, Zach. That's... Yeah, if a yellow comes out last lap, they just call it. I think they should do what NASCAR's doing. Should finish it. Put a couple extra laps in.
As a Hyper Tatum. Celtics. Rookie Silver, Asar Thompson for the Pistons. Silver, DeAndre Hunter Hawks. Blue for the Lakers, Anthony Davis. Out of 199. $15 to go on the second Origins case, everybody. Hyper Nugs, Peyton Watson. Silver, Amen Thompson, luck of the lottery for the Rockets. After that, it's just Dynasty. Silver Spurs, Jeremy Sohan. Blue Ice rookie, Nick Smith Jr. going to the Hornets. It's out of 125. Silver Kings, Keegan Murray, Ruby Wave, Wiseman going to the Pistons. All right, box 1 in the books.
Where did they race today, Zach? Was it like one of those shorter tracks or Speedway?
Ruby Wave, Bucks, Middleton, red to 299, Davis, Lakers. Scoot base. Hyper Nets, Spencer Dinwiddie. Silver Bucks rookie, Andre Jackson Jr. Ruby Wave is DeAndre Jordan Nugs. Nice Podzimski. That's a white Prizm rookie out of 175 for the Warriors. Brandon Podzimski, 45 of 175. That's good stuff right there. Quick glance, it looks pretty centered.
It does look good.
Hyper Grizzlies, David Roddy. Silver, Wembanyama, luck of the lottery. Yellows.
Yeah, that's wild. I need to go watch a replay of this.
Ruby Wave, Jazz, Walker Kessler. Silver Pelicans, Jose Alvarado.
That's what we call carnage.
Silver Hawks, Bogdanovich, rookie auto. Amen Thompson for the Rockets. It's been a pretty solid break so far.
Nice, nice.
Pretty solid. Hyper Nets, Cameron Johnson. That is a Ricky Council IV, rookie autograph for the Sixers.
My God.
He said that he thinks he's currently at 15% his first NBA game. And what he
my God.
Dude, what the hell?
My
Silver rookie Sissoko for the Spurs. He's literally already one of the best players in the league.
Oh my God.
299 Jonas Valanciunas, red Prizm for the Pelicans. Like, he was going toe-to-toe with Jokic the other night.
Dude.
Like, you can see early season, he was getting a little overmatched. Dude, he goes toe-to-toe with like the MVP. MVP caliber players.
That guy's not human.
He really isn't.
Oh my God.
Pulsar rookie Bryce Sensabaugh Jazz. Purple Pistons, Cade Cunningham out of 99.
If he has that kind of mindset, that's scary.
He has that mindset.
That's super
He just wants
scary.
to get better. He's super focused on, like, basketball.
I love it. I love
The
it.
dude is a basketball fiend. That's all he wants to do. He does have the highest ceiling ever. Brandon Miller rookie. Hornets. Where do you guys think Wembanyama's rookie year ranks? It's easy top 5, but is it like top 3? Is it the best? Silver Pelicans, Valanciunas, White Prizm, Rashawn Holmes, Mavericks at a 175. I'd argue that due to the competition in the NBA nowadays,
Yeah, you got to factor that in for sure.
that his is the best.
That's crazy, dude.
It's like him, it's Braun, it's Wilt, Silver Kaleidoscopic, De'Aaron Fox, Kings. To 60, GG Jackson, rookie orange wave. Nice one, Grizzlies. Love to see that. GG. Didn't he have 40 today?
Did he?
Thought he did.
Oh my God.
I know a lot of the Grizzlies are hurt, but still, hey, 40 points. Let's go. Silver Nugs, KCP. Hyper rookie is Tyson for the Nugs. Tyson Nuggets. Haha. I'm not gonna hold his team against him at all. No way. I'm not that person that's gonna be like, didn't make the playoffs. I'm not doing that.
No.
Not falling into that one. David Robinson too. Yeah. David Robinson was a monster. However, Wembanyama is 19. David Robinson played 4 years of college, I'm pretty sure. Hyper Sixers, Tyrese Maxey, Ruby Wave, Knicks, Dante DiVincenzo. Dude,
What?
that's how Silver, Johnny Davis Wizards, rookie auto, Ryan Rupert for the Blazers. Whenever a player misses 2 free throws in a row, the Clippers win. Clippers fan wins free chicken. Boba Marjanovic misses the first one, and the crowd starts screaming. He looks up and sees sign, points to sign, then break the free throw. That's how that's how it is at Magic games. In the fourth quarter, if the opposing team misses 2 consecutive free throws, then everybody in attendance gets like, I think, free order like Chick-fil-A nuggets or something.
Really? That's kind of cool.
Hyperclips, Norman Powell. To 15. Spurs, Serge Ibaka Rice, rookie snakeskin auto. There we go, Spurs. And dude, I swear, the game that I went to the Pelicans game a few weeks ago, and like my wife didn't know about it, and I was like, look, if they miss 2 in a row, like if they miss this next one, and dude, everybody was losing their minds.
That's awesome.
He made it.
Oh no.
Silver rookie Magic, Jet Howard, fast break Silver Jimmy Butler Heat. Like Larry Nance Jr. or something, dude. My wife was pissed at him. Everybody was pissed at him. It like bounced too. It like did a little rattle. Like Hyper rookie Amari Bailey Hornets. Reds at 299. Hawks Deontay Murray. So Boban Chan. That's a Boban move for sure. Intentionally missed the free throw so everybody gets free chicken.
God.
Yeah, well, you can't hit Wembanyama autos. They do not exist outside of Topps products. Ruby Wave, Clowney for the Wolves. Silver Nugs, Reggie Jackson. Wemby base. Silver Austin Rivers Wolves. Hyper Grizzly Steven Adams. Where's college went into the Navy for 2 years. Yeah, sorry, he was Naval Academy. Well, I guess Wemby's in good company. Full-star rookie Pacers, Oscar Tshiebwe. 199, Jalen Duren, Blue Prism Pistons. I agree, Devin. I agree 100%. That's why, in my opinion, he's only comparable to LeBron. If you want to go stat for stat, that's fine, but I would factor age into it 100%. Silver Vassell Spurs. Orange rookie, Jalen Slauson Kings at a 49. Looks interesting. Down. Redemption, Demoy Hodge, sensational signatures, Lakers. At a 99, Ricky Council the fourth, purple to 99, Sixers rookie. Ricky.
I said Pacers.
On the Demoy Hodge,
yeah.
Lakers. Second Messi Golden Topps Chrome in 2 days. Jeez, James. Killing it. Hyper Bulls, Levine, Ruby Wave, Maxi Sixers. A white Prizm coming up. I can separate these base. There we go. Silver Fireworks, Kevin Durant. White Prizm, Pacers, Benedict Mathurin. Number to 175. Last one. Origins next. Mookie's the GOAT. Where'd you go, Vaughn? Ruby Wave, Nets, Spencer Dinwiddie, Silver Pistons, Marvin Bagley. Tell us. Vaughn definitely went to, what's that Mediterranean place? It's like a chain. I went to one in Boston there. It's like Mediterranean, they do like shawarma, they do like wraps and stuff. Hyper Hornets, LaMelo Ball, I should go there. To 149, Rudy Gobert, Purple Ice Wolves. Whatever that place is called, they need it in Florida so bad. Dodgers have about 14.
Oh my God.
What is the record for most walks in 9 innings? Silver Nugs, Jamal Murray. Red rookie auto, Kobe Brown for the Clips. Out of 99.
Boston Market.
Good Lord. Good. Fazoli's. What the hell is going on?
Fazoli.
What is happening in chat right now?
I would tear up some Fazoli's.
Ruby Wave rookie, Amari Bailey, Hornets. Silver Prison Break, Tyrese Halliburton, Pacers.
Fazoli's is like the greatest thing ever.
Well, I mean, no, but. Silver Suns, Yusuf Nurkic. Hyper Sixers, Kelly Oubre. Grab Canes. Canes is delicious.
Canes is overrated.
What is it called? I don't think so.
I think Canes is overrated. Unless I just had.
Maybe it is, Vaughn. Hang on.
Unless I just had a bad experience with the one time I went, but.
Dude, Vaughn, yes, that's it. This guy knows. This guy knows what I'm talking about. This guy knows.
It's just like, wait.
Yeah, bro. I think I went to the... Where did I go? Newberry? I think I went to Newberry or... Yeah, it wasn't Seaport. Yeah, it had to have been the Newberry one. Yeah, it was 100% the Newberry one. Because I was staying... It was not a far walk. Where the hell was I staying, dude? Oh, Weston Copley. I was staying at not Weston. Fairmont. Stayed at Fairmont. So it was like 2 blocks. Yeah, that place is great. You have a Canes near Disney or something now?
I think so. There's one in Tallahassee.
Silver Thunder Chet Holmgren. Silver Fractal LeBron James Lakers. Yeah, dude. Wife and I were... It was after the Winter Classic. We were kind of walking back. And we saw it and we were like dying. Because, I don't know, man. I had a few beers and had like a hot dog and like a pizza at the game. But I was like, dude, I need like...
A meal.
An actual meal. Yeah, it's like... You see it's like a make your own kind of like bowl type thing.
Oh my
it's
God.
Like, it's like Mediterranean, but it's way better than like any other like national chain you can think of. Silver Pistons, Ivy, Ruby Wave Pistons, Durin. There are way too many possibilities though. It's called, how would you pronounce that? Aceituna? It's a small. There's only 4 locations. They're all in Boston. Wemby luck of the lottery. Silver Lakers, Anthony Davis. That is a Colin Sexton. Orange wave to 60 for the Jazz. Really good. Really good little Bill Drone like wrap or bowl. Probably bowls, but yeah.
I'm in.
Really good, dude.
I'm in.
And it's like all types of Mediterranean too, which is really cool as well. Hypernets, Cameron Thomas. We got Blue Raptors, Jalen McDaniels. 199. Ase Tuna, yeah, okay. I remember hearing that when we were there. Ase Tuna. I have to go to a place called Loki, which is like a better Chipotle. Oh yeah, you gotta report back, Galaxy. Please let me know.
I'm in.
There's a I don't know how big this chain is. Ruby Wave LaMelo for the Hornets. Bole. Ever heard of Bole?
No.
Bucks Omari Moore rookie autograph.
The only other one I've heard of that's kind of like Chipotle is Qdoba. Qdoba's like, I'd rather Chipotle.
Yeah, it depends on how I feel like. It depends on how I feel like. There's certain things that Qdoba that are pretty good.
Right.
But I get neither of those places. I get none of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Just get,
I haven't been there.
I typically will just order like Mediterranean food, honestly, at this point, over like a Chipotle. Hyper Sixers Harden. Silver Fireworks is Jazz Larry Marketing. Yeah, oh yeah. Old school Italian places. Wemby, 3 Wemby bases in 4 boxes is very good.
That's very good.
That's very good. To 199, Ray Allen. Blue Prizm Celtics. Purple Ice out of 149, Duncan Robinson Heat. And that does it. Quick recap, y'all. Origins coming up. Origins feeling quick. He's down to 12?
I think so. Last time I checked, it is.
12. Yeah. 12 to go, y'all. Quick recap here of the numbered and the autos. We had Murray, Valanciunas, Anthony Davis, Durant, Allen, McDaniels, Duran, Davis, White Prism. We had Mathurin, Holmes, Podziemski. It's a good one there for the Dubs. Purple Ice, Robinson, Gobert, Holmes. To 125, you had Nick Smith Jr. Purple to 99, Ricky Council, Cade Cunningham. Orange Wave, Sexton, G.G. Jackson. Grizzlies, really nice. Orange, Slauson and Halliburton. Autos of Cameron Payne, Bucks. Lakers, Demoy Hodge. Redemptions there. Omari Moore, Jalen McDaniels, Ricky Council, Ryan Ruperts, Amen Thompson, and red to 99, Kobe Brown. Thanks, everybody. Moving on now to Origins.